Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can connect your Instagram account with your Facebook ID. So first of all I can open Facebook, and here you can see this is profile tab, and now I can switch into Facebook page. Here you can see Enable Website Design, and now just click here again and then click here settings and privacy. Then again click here settings. So here you will see different options on the left side. Scroll down and you need to find out this one, linked accounts. Just click here, and after that here you can see WhatsApp is connected with this Facebook page. For that, just I can go here, click here, then make sure that you are logged in into your Instagram account. So you can go here, and after that let me click on profile tab. So here you can see username is enable website design 1, and now I can go back, then click here connect account. After that again click here connect, then you should allow it to access Instagram messages in inbox. So just you can again click here continue button, and after that login enable website design 1. Then again click here continue button, alright. Here you can see Instagram is connected, then click here button done.